Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get true stretch res on Valorant with no black bars. I'll be showing you the full in-depth tutorial with no cuts, none of that. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go into nvidia control panel. Once you open nvidia control panel, you'll just need to go into your adjust desktop size and position setting, and then click full screen, and then perform scaling on GPU instead of display. After you're done doing that, you want to exit out of NVIDIA control panel, save all that. You'll be opening NVIDIA control panel later on in the video. But yeah, so now you want to go and press on Windows and R. So Windows and R. You want to type in percent local app data percent. After you're done doing that, just press OK, and then you'll be in this folder. You want to type in V, and then you'll be directed to the Valorant folder. You want to double click on it, press save, config, and then there should be a bunch of files in here. I want you to delete all of them, so just drag them and then press delete right here. After you're done doing that, you'll just need to go and open Valorant. And the only reason why I don't have the files right now is because I've already deleted them. And I haven't opened Valorant yet. So yeah. But you just want to open Valorant, and then after you're done opening Valorant, I'll be showing you the settings that you need to get this true stretch res working. So I'll be right back until my Valorant is loaded. Now that I have Valorant loaded up, you'll need to go into settings. So just go into your settings page. After you click settings, you want to go into video and then set your graphics to the graphics that you usually put on. So I usually put on everything on low and off. And then you want to go back into general inside video settings, and you must put fill. You must put fill and then press apply. That is all you need. This will be changing to window borderless soon, but that will be when we actually go into the game user settings, notepad, script, and all that stuff. So just press close and then just exit out of Valorant completely. And then you want to go in here, press Windows R again, percent local app data percent. Then you'll just have to go into back to the Valorant folder. So press V, and then you'll see the Valorant folder. Press saved, config, and then you'll see all the files now. This is the file that we're going to be paying attention to, which is just random generated numbers and letters, all that. This is classified as your Valorant ID, something like that. Now we want to go into Windows Client, and then you'll see Game User Settings .ini. You just want to double click that, and then after you double click that, you want to go into let me just get wrong. Okay, so what you want to do is first you'll see your resolution right here. So as you can see, you'll see my resolutions and then my other tab of resolutions right here. So you want to change your resolution to the resolution that you're going to be using in Valorant. So for example, I'm right now using 1440p, so you want to change 1440p to 1080p on each of these tabs. So all these right here, change to 1440p, change to 1440 to 1080p. And then you want to do the same thing with the last user confirmed desired with all that crap. and same thing with the desired screen width. After you're done changing all those to 1440 to 1080p, or just the Valorant true stretch res that you want to use, you want to go in here, and this is important, you must go back right here where it says resolution, size, blah blah blah. You will just go back over here, scroll down, and then you'll see last confirmed full screen mode, and then prefers full screen mode. When you see this should be on 0. If it is on 0, you want to just place these two to just the number 2. That will be putting your Valorant screen into Windows borderless, which you need to use True Stretch Res. Alright, so after you're done doing that, this is probably the most important part. You want to go in here, copy full screen mode equals 2 by just pressing Control C to copy. Then you want to scroll down here where it says HDRD, HDR display, all that stuff, right? You want to go under that, and then you just want to paste in full screen mode 2. After you're done pasting in full screen mode 2, you're going to go right here, File, Save, Exit Out. Then you have to go in here, right click, Properties, Read Only, Apply, and OK. So now you basically already have full screen, True Stretch Res fully enabled. The only thing that you have to do every time you load up Valorant is go to your NVIDIA control panel, and you want to put in the stretch res that you put in, and by just going to change resolution, and then you'll see all your resolutions right here. So I put 1440p by 1080p, so I'll pick 1440p by 1080p, and then just press apply, accept, all that. After you're done doing that, you'll see you'll just need to load up Valorant, and then you have True Stretch Res. That's basically it. But one thing you have to keep in mind is if you have a custom resolution that is not on your NVIDIA resolutions tab, for example like 1568 by 1080p, you want to go in here, and then you'll see this custom right here. If you see it, you want to type in the custom resolution. So what I would do is, let me just change this real quick right here. You'll see this custom tab right here. As you can see, customize, press customize. When you press customize, you want to press on create custom resolution, then type in the resolution that you want, for example blah 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 and blah blah blah, right? After you're done doing that, just click test and then apply all that stuff, and then you want to go into this tab where it says custom, and then just enable these the custom resolution that you already have by just clicking the check. If it's already checked, just press OK, and that's all. And then you have to put on enable resolution not exposed by the display. Press OK, and then you're done. That's pretty much it on how to get Valorant True Stretch Res. So thanks for watching, y'all, and peace out.